Hi guys, Richard Ralph here. Right, I'm going to do a little bit of I'm going to test the Commodore. It does work. I haven't tested it with a tape player yet, and I haven't actually tested the actually the beige power supply. But before I start, a big thank you, massive thank you to all the Discord lads, Chrissy, Bard, Fairfight, for helping me yesterday on this little thing. Now, it's a simple enough piece. It's when the door opens, it kind of holds, this piece holds the door up, and then it holds it down as it's shut. Now, what I've managed to do is, in my impatience, stripping these down, took the screw off, took that off, and then removed this, because it's got a point on the end, kind of a wedge, so it will hold it when the door opens one way and hold it up, and then hold it up as it closed. Now, I'd made my own, kind of. I mean, you could barely tell the difference. This is what was going to be in there. I mean, since all I got the pictures, it's not a bad copy. It's just a roll plug, and then some hot glue, which is dried very solid, to try and get that wedge. And it's it didn't work that well, shall we say. So, on with that. So that should now work fine. Now this had already got the door problem anyway. One of the sides has snapped off, so look what happens with this. Oh yes. It doesn't fit in fully. For some reason it comes out of that corner. So I'm guessing something else has fell off that. That's okay. That's not my problem just yet. So anyway, yeah, thanks very, very much for helping out yesterday. So what I'm going to do, put this back together, get set up with the Commodore, see if I can play a game on it, see if it all works fine, because the tape decks might not work. Worst case, if they don't work, fine, then it's the end of the life with them, fine, whoopee, I'm not really bothered. But as long as the Commodore works, which I think it does, then we should be alright to stick a memory card reader on this. So let me get set up, and I'll get back to you in a second. Right, I'm just halfway through setting up. I've actually got this one plugged into the black power supply. If you remember, I've got two, and black power supply looks like this. Fine, no problem. But for some reason, the 3, where it says 38911, the 3 is a little bit brighter for some reason. So it's a difficult one hand. So let me show you there, both power cables. I'm into the black one here. Now let me show you what happens when I put the white cable in. So that's on the screen. Already plugged. And I plug in with the white one. Everything seems fine. Everything seems, the 3 isn't as bad anymore. So maybe the black one's got a problem with the power supply. I'm saying that. That popped a little, it's gone back onto there then. Okay, that's gone off. Please, comment, because I don't know. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? The 3's gone back off again now. It's like it's been in a bold text and it's not. So let me carry on setting up. Take that one off, and I'll yeah, see what happens. Right, cassette player's plugged in. Press play. That does go around. You might not be able to see it from there, but it is going around. We're in reverse. Fast forward. Stop. The eject does do kind of as it does, but it does come off the corner. Maybe I can work on something, I don't know. There. Counter goes round. Counter's no way round when you go backwards. That's on 16 at the minute. Yeah. God, I love a counter. Obviously the save will come in, I'll guess, when you press the record. There you go. That all works as well. Actually, well, there's a second tape deck. Where would it be? Here. While I'm here, see, also what I don't understand is the cable plugs in, fine. But why is there an earth cable on these? this does look a lot better, except the casing doesn't seem as good as... Oh, there you go. Why did that make that noise? Turn it off and on again. Right, the other one. Doesn't seem to play. Oh, there she goes. Playing. Rewind. Fast forward. That's spinning. So I think the other one's probably better quality. That does work. Put on to record. Record light is on. This do work. This one could probably do with the bands changing. But let's see what happens with the game. So, we pick Wing Commander. We should pick the mystery leaderboard. So we pick Wing Commander. I have 3 other games somewhere. Ah, there we go. Think Estra. Because I don't know what Dr. Soft Simulations is. Twin Tornado. Probably, I think that's probably the same as Wing Commanders. Probably a flight sim game. And yeah, Iridium would be nice if it was in the right place. Let's put Estra in. Now, tape in. LOAD. Press play on tape. Right, let me get you up on here. The screen is tinted blank. I'll zoom out a little bit. I'll throw her a bit further in here. It's cold in the garage this morning. It's very cold in the garage. Nothing on there at all. Knock that off there. Nothing seems to be happening. Okay. Now I know you probably can't hear it because there's probably no speaker on there anyway. The tape's on the brown section anyway, so let's try another one. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, I'll point you down until we find out what's wrong with this. I'll try the other tape deck and I'll see if it's just that tape deck. The heads might be gone on that, you never know. Now I'm just in a full piece to camera and not realise I've not actually got the bloody camera running. So, anyway, change the tape deck. I don't know whether it's a tape deck or the tape, but I've put this one in, got it loading, and ta-da! It all works. Now Wing Commander seems to be a really, really rubbish game. So, tape out. I'm going to try this one with that other one that I wanted to play. And like I said, this doesn't... I've got nothing other than these 6 games, well 5. Let's put that in that way. Rewind. Damn it, that door don't fit right. Power off, power on. Right, so on the screen I'll assume you go load. Right, so on the screen there. There. I'll zoom down as far as I can go. Yeah. That's really going back quite a way. There you go. Right, stop. Return. Syntax error. LOD. L-O-A-D. No inverted commas. Press play on tape. Now I think it knows there's a tape player on and it's doing, that's why it's gone blank. Or, yeah, of course it would have. Now it should tell me, because it did with the last one, that it's found the game. Oh, going to the top of the tape it says to load. Ah, there we go. See another one. The OKs. Press OK, searching found Estra. So it's the tape stopped. It's a bit weird. And then now it started again. Okay, it's just me being a little bit impatient. Saying that probably is definitely me being a little impatient. So it says on there, hold down shift and run stop to the bottom left corners. Just kind of there. That must do a shortcut straight into it. So let's keep going. The blue box and the bars around, that should gear artwork in the middle. I ain't showing it's all working. I'm really happy with that. Does take its time, doesn't it? Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Really should have paused this, to be honest. It's not the most entertaining sort of program ever. I might even not load in a screen. Let me pause. I'll get back. Well, there's one good thing with this. This is now 3 minutes later. You don't hear that screaming and in like you do with Spectrum, but I do feel kind of weirdly content knowing I can hear something like that. For the minute, it's nothing. Just doing that. Not even done a cover art on here. Just thought you might have done. That just saves time loading because it's such a big game. So anyway, another jump cut. Haha! We have picture. That's just finished now. I thought I just finished loading then. Estra Firebird. AJ Field. Covered by John Mitchell. I mean, I don't know what that is. Is it a... I'm sure it makes perfect sense actually having the box. Yes, the box will tell me. Yes. No. Okay, no jump cut. Okay. Return. I do wonder, there's a copyright issue on this. The omission. Cover the statue. Briefing. Statue has been found on a planet. Why is and the Y up here in black. Can't even jump past this. Okay, so there's that symbol. Tape player definitely stopped. Aha! Press. Oh no! Right, the joystick don't want to work. So, left and right maybe? Ah, ZX. Slash and double dot? No. Yes. What? That's pause then. So I'm out. You. What do I do? What the hell do I do? Like that. Okay. No. So I've got AZ left and right, and I've got the double dot sure it's not pronounced that. Can't do anything with the diamonds apart from... What's he doing? Oh no! See, that's what you're missing with nowadays games. You don't know what you're doing and it's fun to do that. Right, let's get him. Missed him. Can I touch that? Oh, yes. Oh no, can't touch that. What? Random game. Very random game. So, anyway. Not again. No, oh, please, no, God, no. Best thing about this, the off switch. So yeah, works brilliantly. I quite enjoyed that. Is the knowing of does it, doesn't it work? Can it? Can't it work? Should it? So yeah, I'm happy with that. Apart from needing retrobrighting, and that needs doing, I'd say project sorted, done. So all we need to do now is sit back, wait for today's delivery of the Spectrum, which I'm looking forward to. I know a bit more about Spectrum than C64s, but I'm quite glad I got this one. So thank you very much, Steve. Hopefully I can see you soon if you've got anything more for me. If not, very big thank you for this. This has been a lovely pleasure to work on, and it's going to be a future project as well to Retrobrite. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe on YouTube. Follow me on Discord, Facebook, Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. I've not got many Twitter followers, to be honest. Got plenty of Facebook. I think they're just people just plodding along and finding friends of friends. I'm posting a little bit on Facebook now anyway, but not many on Twitter. So please follow me on that. If you want to donate something like Steve did, please get in touch. Message me on Facebook, message me on Twitter, message me on YouTube, either in the comments or whatever. I'll get back to you. And if you want to consider being a Patreon, I'd love it if you be a patron. That helps me get to places. At the moment, it helps me to get to places to get things like this, so I can put the videos on for you guys. If there's more Patreons, fine, we can do more with this channel. We're doing this for quite a while now. I think it's 9 or 10 months now. I mean, 8 months, I don't know. It's been a while. We're doing pretty well. So we can expand the channel a lot more. If we get more Patreons, yeah, I can get more and actually buy proper stuff for the garage without any problems whatsoever. Plus I can buy a heater. That'd be nice. It's if you can see that or not, but it's freezing at the moment. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.